All right guys, here is my model of the floor lift. So that's when it's up. You can see the different layers of the concrete, and you know, I'm just gonna do like a floor epoxy. That is when it's down on the floor. The crossbars there represent the temporary bars that I'm gonna have going across. And you can see the pipe here for that'll run in there. So here is the framework. Wish I had my mouse because this would be a lot easier. So that's the plan. So basically just this frame going around. All right, let me zoom in here a little bit. So basically these are the temporary crossbars, and we got the framework. And I'm just gonna go down and over with a couple of these bungs welded on there. And then I'm probably gonna go around it with a frame. I don't have drawn of some, I'll just go pick up some 3/8 or 1/2 inch something re-rod, and for a little extra concrete reinforcement. So I'll run a couple rings of that around, and that'll be it. So pretty simple. Just down and over, and a couple bungs that this thing will bolt to, and we'll go from there. So I got the frame done last night and gonna get this knocked out today. I got these cut, gonna weld these on. So they're gonna be welded underneath like that. So I'm just gonna TIG weld them. I still got my machines covered up from the hurricane. We covered all this stuff up just in case the roof leaked again, which it's leaked in the past. So anyways, I'll get these welded up. Not the best, not the most pretty. It seems that it's going to be buried in the concrete. All right, compressor's running, but just kind of plug welded the ends there. It's not the most beautiful, but you know what? Nobody's gonna see it. And then of course welded up those guys. Again, kind of rushing the job here. It's all getting buried in concrete. So, all right, I just gotta make a couple down pieces, lower this down, and weld it up. All right, I'm ready to weld up this frame. I'm holding the corners. I got it all leveled out here, real perfect. So I'm gonna get that TIG welded up. I could make it, but I'm just gonna TIG it because I like TIGging better. So let's do this. So I got the corners all dressed up. I'm gonna grind those down. Just a little weave on there, just fill in any little extra. Eric's bolting the bottom cross beam on. And then what I just did is just took scrap of some bolts, old bolts, and some old metal scrap to use as like a re-rod. So this is gonna be bolted up like that, and then this will all get concreted into the 5-6 inches of concrete and on the slab that we pour, so it'll be good to go. I'm videoing you. You're gonna be on YouTube. It's my buddy Eric, everybody. He's bored as hell. No job, Eric. I'm just teasing. He's home from Thailand and bored out of his mind, so he's over here helping me out today. Yeah, my vagabond boy. Eric used to work for me, shit, that was probably what, 15 years ago at Detroit, or what the hell was the name of the company? It was Deviant Design. Hey, clean up your mess. Put that table away. Yeah, that's the part you gotta watch the fingers. Alright, she's all welded up. I had some of this, I don't know, wire gate stuff that we threw down, which is about 2 inches, so it'll be right in the middle of the concrete. I kind of messed up the first little thing I had on there, so we had to cut those off, and then we just used angle iron and just scrap pieces of metal we had laying around. It's all going to get buried in concrete, so looks pretty good. Good job, Eric. And we're going to throw this on the trailer and get it home. And I rented a concrete saw in the back of the trailer, so we'll get that cut tomorrow, hopefully. Oh yeah. Okay, we got it all loaded up in the trailer here, heading back to the house. There's the frame. There's the saw. I'm gonna hit the road.